powerful spinning citrus juicer has a big handle and a seed-catching tray. But where's the juice? You can collect it in the machine and dispense it all at once by pressing down on this spout. This is a digital thermal thermometer, so you can take the temp of your meats to know when they're ready. This is one of the most advanced adult drink makers out there. Here's why. Simply follow the labels to fill the bottles with your favorite spirits. They pop in, lock with a key, and you're good to go. Add water, pick from 50 drink options, insert a capsule, and rotate to adjust your preferences. The capsule guides the machine to mix the perfect drink for you. Just like this. This is a rotating kitchen utensil set, and each piece has a built-in lid so the head doesn't touch the counter. Tired of messy spills and waiting forever for ice? Instead, just add 2 liters of water, hit start on the machine or through your phone, and within 6 minutes, you'll have 9 ice nuggets ready. You can even choose from 3 different sizes, always ready on your counter, complete with a larger scoop for effortless drink filling. This multi-purpose batter dispenser that's ideal for getting the perfect pancakes every time. This is one of the highest rated waffle makers on Amazon. But why? It's not because it has a special built-in waffle thong or because it flips from side to side, but because it's one of the few waffle makers that lets you make stuffed waffles with any filling you want. And just wait till you see what they look like. And I'm not just talking about sweet waffles with fruits and Nutella, but savory ones too. Imagine ones with ham and cheese. It turns anything into a slushie. But how does it work? You put ice, salt, and water into the center. But why salt? Well, it allows the water to reach temperatures far below the freezing point without turning solid, which means the metal cylinder gets extremely cold all the way around. Once you add your liquid of choice, it will start to freeze, but the rotating fins will agitate it just enough to keep that from fully happening. This thing is not just a panini press, but what other secrets does it have? I personally like it for my sandwiches and wraps, and it's nice that it's digital, but it also opens up all the way, turning into a decently sized drill where you can unclip and flip one or both of the cooking surfaces, which turn it into a griddle. Is it really worth slicing your own sandwich meat at home? Let's find out. Deli meat costs about $4 per 100 grams or $5 off the shelf, but slicing it yourself? After setting up the machine, which also works for bread, I sliced 100 grams of ham in just 10 seconds for only $1.54. Totally worth it.